How many of you have heard about ShaoBank? They've been around for a while, I think, since 2022. So I'm sure a lot of you have heard of them. I've just recently joined the platform, so I'm just sharing the opportunity with you. Obviously, do your own due diligence, do your own research, and also get professional advice where necessary. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing, and if it's something that you like and it interests you, then again, do your own due diligence, and then yeah, you can make your own decision from there. So just to walk you through the back office of ShaoBank, ShaoBank, the way to success. So I'm just going through the different tabs and walking you through what's in the back office. Save your savings and get guaranteed returns. Make a deposit within 5 minutes and receive a fixed income every month. That's in terms of the deposits, digital banking. So I'm going to go across to bond series now. So buying securities is profitable. The lowest risk financial instrument bonds are conservative and predictable. And this is in terms of their bond series. You've got corporate, you've got what is bonds? You've got corporate bonds, issue, bond certificate, bond holder, interest payments, and contracts. So you can read through all of this should you join the opportunity, or you can just go on the website and read through the details. This is in terms of their deposit product. So save and grow with ShaoBank deposits. Deposit your money for a period of 12. Sorry, let's start again. Deposit your money for a period starting from 12 months at 11.5% per annum and get the most out of your savings with Hong Kong dollars. These are all the details here in terms of the deposit service that they offer. You can have a look through all of that information. In terms of the bonds, which I will be focusing on, I will walk you through a bit more information later on. Save and earn with ShaoBank bonds. Buy bonds and receive guaranteed dividends for 1 to 4 years. Payments are made on a daily basis. Keep an eye out for new series of securities. To buy bond, open your personal digital banking. It's free and takes only 5 minutes. A unique peer-to-peer business model is available to you through which you can purchase securities directly from the bank without intermediaries in just one click. Become a digital marketer and profit from selling bonds on the business network. 20% over 10% level. So these are the details for the bond product, and I'll walk you through this in a bit more detail later on. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome and great to have you here. I hope this will not be your last. Remember to subscribe. I'm waiting for you. So if you drop me a note below in the comment section and say, Yulin, you forced my hands. You have forced me to subscribe to your channel. I know I did force you. You came here for some value, and hopefully I've given that to you, so then I won't need to force your hands. You will join willingly. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. If this is if you're a regular visitor to the channel, thank you again, and thank you for stopping by. Much appreciated. So let's continue walking you through the back office of ShaoBank. So as I said, I'll walk you through more details on the bonding side of things in terms of the bond product. In terms of lending, financing on favorable terms, register for digital banking, apply in 5 minutes and get an instant transfer to your Shao card. So they've got the Shao card, which you can apply for. You've got help and support. Any questions, contact our support team. You will be assisted by professional consultants who have received special training, and it's all here for you. Frequently customer support. And you've got the details here. You can click on this link and it will take you through to customer support. And you've got also tutorials, helpful tutorials here that you can watch about the opportunity and the products and services that ShaoBank offers. Here's the email, ShaoBank support, and the address and telephone number. But I would imagine that the first one that you would go for is the support. So you can email ShaoBank and support, and they can assist you. And also in terms of social media, they're on Telegram, they're on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So they are all over social media, so you can get access to them on these different platforms, and also via email. You can email support. Okay, so that's that bit. Let me just go over to the business tab and walk you through this section. So in terms of business with ShaoBank, expand your business network and receive extra income of up to 20% partners bond purchase. And all the information is here that you can go through. In terms of career, if you'd like a career with ShaoBank, develop your business network and earn tokens. Take advantage of additional earning opportunities with ShaoBank and earn unlimited income. And all the details is here. They've talked about T-Balance. T-Balance is a bonus account. Within your account, it is topped up when your partners invest in ShaoBank corporate bonds, which I'm going to walk you through the bonds product in a short while. So basically, your T-Balance is your loyalty program, is valid up to 10 levels. So it's 10 levels deep. You don't have to have time and knowledge to build a career. You can simply carry out your usual activities, watch your account balance increase, and spend it on gift cases or by opening up new levels in your business network. And $1 Hong Kong is equal to 12 T-Balance. Okay, and you can watch this video and to learn more about that. And so here are the steps. Step 1, get an affiliate link. So you can get an affiliate link from either the person that told you about ShaoBank. If that wasn't me, then you go to the person that introduced you to ShaoBank and get your link and sign up. If it was me, then by all means, I'll put my link in the description below and you can have access to that. Step 2, a friend buys bonds. So invite your friends and their partners to become invited friends and their partners become part of your business network. You can watch it develop in digital banking. Your T-Balance is replenished every time your network members make a purchase. You automatically receive tokens at a rate of $1 Hong Kong, which is equal to 12 tokens, and you exchange your T-Balances for rewards. Buy cases with case rewards from Shao, and also unlock more levels to get the maximum amount of token in the future. And it's all here. It tells you how it works, so you can have a look through all of that. And you've got the different cases. You've got common case, rare case, mystical, legendary, immortal. Yeah, so these are all the cases that you have here, and the information is on each of the different cases. Okay, so that's so you can benefit in addition to your rewards from your T-Balance bonus. In terms of market, keep your fingers on the pulse of the market. So this is where ShaoBank shows you we are a neobank and closely connected to cryptocurrency assets. So we understand how important it is to monitor changes in the market. And ShaoBank is here showing you that I think they've listed about 15 tokens. And they're sharing with you the price in the market at the moment. As you can see, Bitcoin is at $63. Woohoo! And all the others are in line, coming. All the other tokens, the popular tokens, the others are increasing as well. As you would imagine, when Bitcoin moves, everybody else moves. Okay, in terms of our affiliates, learn more about partners and the ecosystem. ShaoBank is a subsidiary of Global Futures Enterprise Group Corporation. We innovate, we grow, and we generously share our profits with our clients. And these are the partners of ShaoBank. So get to know ShaoBank partner structure. You've got Global Future Enterprise. And they are a partner corporation that oversees company in banking, insurance, and investment. Then you've got Go Insurance, and they, of course, as the name implies, deals with insurance, a subsidiary of Financial Partners Limited. And then you've got Financial Partners, an investment part of the Global Future Enterprise Group Corporation. It operates in the financial and in insurance sector. And I believe this is the partner that the bond that is linked to the bond product that I'll be sharing with you later on. Then you've got another partner called Beijing Global Future Technology. Then you've got Universal Century. And how you can become a partner. If you're interested, take advantage of a partnership with an emerging international neobank that is a major contributor to the Global Future Corporation ecosystem, and you can send an offer letter and approach ShaoBank, and they will give you additional information for you to become a partner. Okay, so you've got your why ShaoBank. Increase your income with a growing bank. You can take advantage of all the opportunities of a bank going from strength to strength. Be confident about the security of your investment with ShaoBank and plan ahead boldly. So this is the reason why ShaoBank is saying that you can become a part of their platform or their product or their ecosystem. Okay, so that's that. If I go over to the insurance tab, and you've got insurance, which I've touched on earlier on. So you got the insurance product. It's all there, protecting your account, fraud prevention, and I'm going to go straight through to the banking side of things. All banking online handles your finances the way you're used to. Make deposits, invest in bonds, and take out insurance policies with ShaoBank. I'm going to go straight to the where you can download ShaoBank's financial statements. I've already downloaded it, but this is where you would go. You would go to the insurance tab and then click on banking. And then that's so you would be able to click on downloading the financial report, which I can just show you here quickly because I've already done it. And here, ShaoBank is showing you the financial report for 2023, which was last year. And you can go through and look through all of the information in terms of the financial status and how healthy the balance sheet is and all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, so you can see that this information for yourself is 14 pages when you go through their financial statement for last year. Okay, so if I go through who we are, ShaoBank is proudly part of the outstanding Global Future Corporation. ShaoBank was opened in 2022 to raise capital and expand the ecosystem of the flourishing Global Future Enterprise Group Corporation. Okay, and here you've got who we are. You've got all the information here. You can have a read, and you've got ShaoBank CEO, which is Mr. Yan Shao. He's the founder of ShaoBank, and you can have a read through all this great information. Then in terms of documentation, you have here the certificate for the Hong Kong corporation. Then you've got for the UK one as well. So they've got an office in Hong Kong, one in the UK, and they're all here. You can have a look at them. You can click on them and have a read. They're all here. Yeah, so this is where you go to who we are and then click on documentation. So I'm going to walk quickly through the roadmap. And as you can see, they started in August 2022, like I've mentioned earlier on. And I think the roadmap goes all the way up to 2031, I believe. But you can walk through this. I'm just going to show you quickly. So July 2031. Yeah, so they've got a long roadmap ahead of them with the different things that they are aiming to accomplish at each junction or at that specific time. Yeah, so you can go through the roadmap. And here you've got the white paper. We invite digital marketers to cooperate, get a detailed overview of the bank's business activities, financial performance, and product and services. So you can get that from the white paper. And if you come here, you'll get all of that information. It's in so many different languages, as you can see here. So whatever language that is your first language or the one that you are comfortable in or conversant in, then you can jump on that and have a look through the business plan. So as you can see, there are lots of different business plan in different languages, as you can see here. Okay, so that is that. So now I'm going to walk you through the product that's on offer. I believe that it's on offer until the end of March. So the bond product is on offer until the end of March 31st. So, well, let me clarify that. It is on offer at this percent from 0.5% up to, I believe, let me just click on it. I don't want to tell you any wrong things. So if I go here, I'm just going to click on it very quickly. So it's 0.5% up to, let me click on that, up to 2%. So 0.5 to 2% per day. And after the 31st of March, then the bonds product will still be available, but I believe that the daily percentage will be less, right? So try and jump in before the end of March. I joined, as you can see, on the 6th of March. So not very long ago, maybe about 2 weeks or thereabouts. Right, so let me just walk you through the different tabs. So this is your account, and you've got the T balance there, which I walked you through earlier on. And the balances that comes through daily, your profit that comes through daily, and just the historical data in terms of transaction that passes through your account. You've got the investment tab. Again, it kind of shows you the investment that you've made and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, when you join or, you know, you can go on the website and have a look through these things. So I'll just show you the bond product, which is what I've just purchased. So you've got F1. You've got F1 to F8, sorry, not F1, FP1. So FP1, which I presume, as I was saying to you earlier on, it's to do with this partner. So if I go to business and affiliate, FP Financial Partners Limited. So they are the one that the bond product is linked to. Yeah. So if I just go back here and walk you through the bond product. So as I said, you've got FP1 right up to FP8. So if I just walk you through this very quickly. So you've got FP1, which the minimum to go in is 400 Hong Kong dollars. And if I just show you, click on TRC20, so you can see the difference in terms of the exchange, what it is equivalent to, I should say. So 400 Hong Kong dollars is equal to, say, 52 USDT. And obviously, you can go on the exchange and see that for yourself. So I normally use xe.com. You can use it as well, or there's so many that's out there that you can jump on just to check the exchange rate. So as you can see, your 400 Hong Kong dollars is equal to 51.13 US dollars, and which is similar here, 51.28. And this is obviously not US dollars, this is Tether. So this is cryptocurrency, and the exchange I've just shown is US dollar. But as you know, the Tether is pegged to the US dollar. So it's almost the same. Okay, so that is if you want to buy a bond FP1, that's the minimum. The minimum, you can go up to as many bonds as you want. So say for instance, you wanted 30 of FP1, it would cost you 153. Yeah. So a minimum, you have to buy a minimum of 10. But if you say for instance, you can't afford FP2, the minimum for FP2 is 256, and you can't afford that, you could stick with FP1 and buy 20, which would cost you 102, or 30, which would cost you 153. So it's still less than FP2. So you can just buy more of FP1. Yeah, so I hope that's helpful. And I'm giving you the equivalent in Tether USDT, right? And as I said, you can go to any exchange platform and just do the conversion, because your account will be defaulted to, I think it's top. Your account will be defaulted to Hong Kong dollars. Yeah, but you can go and so you can click on the exchange and see the difference, or you can just click on USDT, paying with USDT, and it will give you the equivalent in USDT. So that's FP1. FP2, again, the minimum for all of them is 30. FP2 is 10 is the minimum. So that would cost you, oh, sorry, just bear with me. So that would cost you 256. But if I just look at FP1 again, sorry, I just wanted to walk through this in terms of the total income. So you're getting 0.5, sorry, per day. And you bought 10 bonds, as you can see here, and that's for you will be paid that 0.5% for 4 years. So here's the breakdown. So daily you would get $2 because 0.5 percent of the amount would be $2, 2 Hong Kong dollars. And then your weekly would be 2 7s 14 because it's 24 7s. And then you would earn 60 Hong Kong dollars per month, and then annually it would be 720. So if you want to put, say for instance, if we want to put the 720 in here, so you can see how much you would earn for the year. I tell you what, let's do something a little bit simpler. Let's take, for instance, that we bought 30 of FP1, right? And that would cost us 153. And then you would earn per week 42 Hong Kong dollars, right? Or monthly. Shall we do monthly? Let's do monthly 180 Hong Kong dollars. So that's it. If you bought 30 bonds in FP1, it would cost you 153 USDT. Yeah. But you would earn 180 per month. So let's put in the 180 here. 180 Hong Kong dollars per month. And that would be, so just bear with me, 180. And that would be, you would earn $23 per month. Okay, so 180 Hong Kong dollars is equivalent to 23 USDT. Yeah, so just drop the Hong Kong dollars in a exchange calculator or exchange, not calculator, exchange website, and you would be able to calculate the equivalent in USDT, aka US dollars or stroke US dollars. Okay, so that's that. And for FP2, you would earn 0.6, so you would earn a bit more. The higher you go up, the more you earn. So you would earn 0.6. Let me put in 10 because 10 is the minimum, and you would earn that for 4 years. And again, you can just put in the amount. You would earn 360 Hong Kong dollars per month. And if I just drop that in here very quickly, So 360 Hong Kong dollars would be, you would earn $46. As you can see, you're $46 per month if you bought FP2 and you just bought 10 bonds. Okay, and same thing for FP3, it would increase to 7%, and that's for 3 years. FP4, 9%, and that would go for 3 years. FP5, you'd earn 1.1% per day, and that's for 2 years. FP6, 1.3, and that's for 2 years. And you can see the amount as I go up in US dollars, or in USDT, sorry. FP7, 1.5% per day, and that's for a year, and FP8, 2% for a year, and this is the amount that you would need to invest, okay, which is $102. Yes, so you can start with as little as $52. Yeah, as little as $52, and you would earn 0.5% per day. Okay, so I think that is it. This is my deposit. I've deposited, I think this is about $200. And so I would like to get a little bit more in before the 31st of March, just so I can be locked into the current daily rate as opposed to the reduced rate that's coming after March. Okay, so I think that is it in terms of sharing ShaoBank with you. They've got, as I said, a YouTube channel. They've got a YouTube channel, they've got a Telegram channel, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So you can touch base with ShaoBank via these different platforms. So I think that is it. Thank you very much for your time, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.